Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a QR code for a location in Google Maps. So first, let's head over to Google Maps. And once you're done choosing a location, just click on the share button. Then copy the link by clicking on this icon. Then once you're done copying, let's head over to Google Chrome. In the search bar, just look for QR code generator. Click on this link. Just scroll down until you can see this section. Just paste the link that we copied earlier. You can also put a name to your QR code. You can also choose the style and if you want to add the logo and also if you want to add the frame. Once done, just press on download PNG. Let's try scanning our QR code. Click on open QR code. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily create a QR code for a location in your Google Maps. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!